Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete all AI mode search history in your Google search. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google search. After open up your Google search, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this top right here. Then here you go. You have all your Google AI search history right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three dots from the top. Then you have options that allow you to delete all right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on delete all. Delete all search. You won't be able to return to any response. Go ahead and click on delete. So I'm going to go ahead and click on delete right here. Boom. You can see all history clear. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.